Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. When you use QuickBooks Payments, your customers automatically receive a post-invoice survey after they pay their invoice. This helps you collect feedback, acquire referrals, and automatically remind customers to return for more products and services. Let's review what your customers experience when they receive your survey. Then, you'll learn how to review their feedback and referrals. Let's see what happens after your customers pay an invoice when you have post-invoice surveys turned on. When customers receive an invoice, they enter and submit their payment information. After they've paid their invoice, they receive this survey. First, they'll see this question about whether or not they'd like to work with your company again. Then they can enter what services they're interested in later. You'll see this information in QuickBooks later, along with an option to send them an estimate or invoice for the work. Then your customer selects Next. They'll rate their experience on a scale of 0 to 10. If they rate your company between 0 and 6, they can enter what you could do better next time. If they rate your company between 7 and 10, they can enter contact info for a referral. When they submit their response, you'll receive this contact info so you can reach out to them and meet your new potential customer. Now let's check where you can see these results in QuickBooks. Go to Customers and Leads. From here, you'll see work requests from customers who filled out the survey and answered that they'd like to work with you again. You can see their name, which invoice you received the feedback from, and when they want you to contact them. Select View Request to see more details. From here, you can see what the customer wrote. You can also create an estimate or invoice. Let's go back to the overview screen. From this section, you can see the people your customers referred to you in their survey responses. You'll see the referrals' names and who referred them. Select View. And from here, you can send them an email or add them as a customer. From Overview, you can also see your feedback scores. Here you'll see the name of each customer who left you feedback, which invoice the feedback was for, and the results of their feedback. Select View Response to see it in detail. If you decide you don't want customers to receive the post-invoice survey, select Settings, Account and Settings, Sales. Next to Post-Invoice Survey, toggle the feature Off. Then select Save. Now you're ready to receive feedback and referrals from customers.